Yes, the Mickey Churro Waffles are legendary, and until now you could only get them on a Disney cruise ship or at a pricey character buffet. But now we've got them available at Disney's Caribbean Beach Resort. So today I'm going to show you the pathway over to Spyglass Grill. I'm going to indulge my craving, and then we're going to discuss the hype and whether or not these guys are worth the trip out to Caribbean Beach. Then we'll wrap up the video over at Animation Courtyard. Hey everyone, Hank with Outer Rim Travels here at Disney's Hollywood Studios. We're not going in just yet because that's part of the beauty of living here in Orlando. I was like, yeah, I want something sweet for breakfast. Kind of tired of the Mickey cinnamon rolls and the Starbucks white chocolate mocha, believe it or not. I can hop on the Disney Skyliner, head over to Caribbean Beach, and have a churro Mickey waffle. What? Haven't had one in a while, so we're going to do that. Let's walk over to the Skyliner and see you over at Caribbean Beach. In case you're not aware, the Disney Skyliner opened back in September of 2019. Seems like yesterday to me. And it's sort of the spiritual successor to those Skyway bucket rides that we used to have at the Magic Kingdom and back in the day at Disneyland. Of course, this is much more state-of-the-art, and it connects Disney's Hollywood Studios and Epcot to Pop Century, Art of Animation, Riviera, and Caribbean Beach.
Good morning.
Good morning.
Walker on 249.
249, here we go. Thank you. It's so cool that we had Statler and Waldorf of the Muppets on our gondola. Love it. All right, we're in, and the first part of the journey begins. Heading out to Disney's Caribbean Beach Resort. Haven't been there quite a while, actually, but it's the only place aside from Crystal Palace inside Magic Kingdom or the Disney cruise ships where you can get to these churro Mickey waffles. All right, here we go. I did want to mention real quick, in case you've never ridden the Skyliner, there is a nice breeze that runs through there. I remember there's an uproar early on. No AC in these gondolas. Trust me, it's nice and cool in there, you guys.
Ladies and gentlemen, welcome aboard the Disney Skyliner at Disney's Hollywood Studios. We are on our way to Disney's Caribbean Beach Resort with connecting flights to Epcot International Gateway, Disney's Pop Century Resort, and Disney's Art of Animation Resort.
It's kind of funny, folks. We're heading into Disney's Hollywood Studios and I'm heading the opposite direction. Must have been like, where's this guy going, you know? But we got other plans in the morning, and then we'll head back into Hollywood Studios. I want to check out Animation Courtyard, which I haven't been to yet. So that'll be fun. All right, we are here, and that was what, 5-6 minutes? Super quick flight time, you guys. Welcome to Caribbean Beach. Well, the station, anyway. Yeah, so cool. Wow, definitely haven't been here in ages. So, quick little ride over from Hollywood Studios to Caribbean Beach. Now we're gonna head over to Spyglass and have our breakfast. I'm gonna show you the actual walking path after I eat my Mickey Churro Waffles. Didn't want to waste any time, just wanted to jump right into it. All right, here we go. Okay, we're walking up. It didn't take that long, maybe 5-7 minutes. And yeah, we're here. So Spyglass Grill is a casual, quick service dining venue at Disney's Caribbean Beach Resort. It features American food with kind of a Caribbean twist. I can't say I've had lunch and dinner there, but definitely have had breakfasts in the past. Well, minus the Mickey Churro Waffles, because that's brand new. If you've been watching my videos for a while now, you know I'm all about mobile order. So here we are in the My Disney Experience app. We're going to select the Mickey Churro Waffles. There you go. This one brings 3, and that's a bit much for me. So I'm gonna go back and actually order the kids version. I do this at Pandora also, just because it's too much. This one brings 2 Mickey Churro Waffles There you go. And you can pick bacon as your option, and a second slice of bacon, or sausage. I'm gonna go with the sausage link. And then a drink. So let's grab the chocolate milk. Boom, you're all set. Now you click on there to view the order. Any additional items you can order here or review the order and pay. You're all set. Yeah, super easy. Place the order in the app, walk up to the little pickup, mobile order pickup area. Boom, that's it. Super easy, not a lot of people here. This is pretty early. Got myself, some syrup to dip them in as if they're not sweet enough. And so excited to dig in. It's interesting that they chose Spyglass Grill to offer the Churro Mickey Waffles. And here they are, you guys. Oh my goodness. And I'm not a huge churro fan. There's just something about the Mickey Churro Waffles, that batter and the cinnamon and the way they're deep fried. Oh my gosh. Definitely my favorite type of Mickey waffle. I am so happy. Oh my goodness. It's not all hype, you guys. These are delicious. If you haven't had a chance to try them on one of the cruise ships or at Crystal Palace, come here to Spyglass. Delicious. Seriously, once I discovered these aboard Disney Cruise Line, there was no going back. I mean, it ranks right up there with the Tonga toast at the Poly as one of my favorite breakfasts at Disney. Here's a quick shot of the map. And I wanted to show you where the Skyliner station is in relation to Spyglass Grill, which is directly behind me. Now, mind you, I am not hyping up Spyglass. It's all about those Mickey Churro Waffles. Well, there you go. I'm so happy right now, you guys. That was 5 out of 5, 10 out of 10, however you want to rate it. What a nice breakfast. And it just popped into my head when I arrived at Disney's Hollywood Studios. So we're going to walk back through Trinidad so I can, show you more or less the path. Got to cross a little bridge to get back over to the Disney Skyliner. So could be a little confusing if you're not familiar with the area. Figured, hey, we got time. It's my video. I can make it as long as I want to. So let's walk through Trinidad, head back to the Skyliner, and back to Hollywood Studios. Come on, let's go. You can see it over there in the distance. That's the Skyliner station. And Caribbean Beach happens to be the main hub of the Disney Skyliner. So, during bad weather and stuff, that's where they dock. All the little gondolas, they bring them in, get them out of the elements. Right, so walking this way. This is Trinidad. This property is massive, with somewhere around 2,100 guest rooms. You've got several buildings, which are Aruba, Barbados, Jamaica, Martinique, and Trinidad. This one that we're walking through right now. The property has several pools, including the big one, the Fuentes del Morro, which is like a Spanish fortress. But it's very spread out. It's kind of the downside. I do remember when we stayed here years ago, I had to jump in the car and drive over to pick up food because it's just that far away. All right, so we're getting closer to the Skyliner station. Have you stayed at Disney's Caribbean Beach, and what are your thoughts? Have you dined at Spyglass, or how about Sebastian's? I have yet to try out Sebastian's, and I hear it's great, actually. See, pretty quick. Let me know in the comments if you've enjoyed this type of video. A walkthrough from the Skyliner station to a specific dining location. If it's helpful, maybe we can pick another one and I'll head out there and film it for you guys. I think that'll be cool, and not all content creators do this. See, there's the little bridge. And you've got the Skyliner off on the left. Here's a quick map. See how spread out everything is? All right, let's speed this up a little bit. Here we go. Okay. Crossing the little bridge now, and station's right there. Pretty quick. It's a main street into the property. There you go. Easy enough. And I worked down my calories from the Mickey-shaped Churro Waffles. Not really, but yeah. Little exercise to get back to the Skyliner. That's going to do it for this first half. Now I'm going to head into Disney's Hollywood Studios, check out Animation Courtyard. If you're curious, see what all that looks like, stick around. All right, let's board the Skyliner back over to Hollywood Studios. Hey, they're the darling kids from Peter Pan. I love all the different designs.
Thank you for flying with us. Por favor, permanezcan sentados hasta que las puertas se abran automáticamente. Al salir de la cabina, por favor, cuide a sus pequeñas.
We've landed. Okay, back at Hollywood Studios. Let's head in and check out Animation Courtyard. I've seen pictures and it looks really cute. Attraction is supposed to open later this summer, I believe. Welcome to the newly reimagined Animation Courtyard over at Disney's Hollywood Studios. And yes, it's now a Burbank-style studio lot made to mirror the legendary Walt Disney Studios out in Burbank, California. So here you got Pluto's Corner. Isn't that cute? And Mickey's Sorcerer's Apprentice hat, which has taken the place of Star Wars Launch Bay. And I'm a Star Wars fan, but that area did overstay its welcome, definitely. So we're going to look at some of the featured characters. Over here, you've got Timothy Q Mouse from Dumbo and Jacques and Gus from Cinderella. Across from that, Mochi from Big Hero 6. And on the opposite side of the hat, you've got Abu from Aladdin sitting over here in the studio store sign. The store is not open just yet. Off on this side, you've got the brand new Disney Junior Mickey Mouse Clubhouse Live area. And across from that is Ray from The Princess and the Frog. Zazu from The Lion King is keeping watch from above. And underneath him, you've got Lucifer, that mean old cat from Cinderella. There he is. Up here, you've got Sir Hiss from Robin Hood and Frou Frou from Zootopia. Interesting matchup there. Here, Thumper from Bambi is telling a little secret to Pua from Moana. And across the way, you've got Diablo, Maleficent's loyal pet raven, and the Blue Jays from Cinderella. I don't think they have names. Finally, last but not least, Jiminy Cricket from Pinocchio. I love that this area is finally open and those walls have come down. It looks super cute, really, really nice. Walked around, searching for characters. Hope I found them all. I mean, we'll see if I'm missing any. Please let me know. But yeah, I really like this and I'm so looking forward to the new attraction when that opens. No official date yet, as far as I know. But anyway, thanks for joining me. That was a quickie, but a goodie. Got to enjoy my Mickey-shaped Churro Waffle and hang out here at Hollywood Studios for a little bit. As always, have an out of this world day and I'll catch you on the next one. Take care, everybody. Bye-bye.